Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Edge 130 Plus. First, power on your device and complete the initial setup, selecting your language and basic preferences. Next, pair your Edge 130 Plus with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone via Bluetooth. This enables seamless data transfer and smart notifications. Finally, customize your data screens to display up to 8 metrics per screen, like speed, distance, and heart rate for essential ride information. For navigation, upload your desired routes to your Edge 130 Plus using the Garmin Connect app or website. Once a course is loaded, the device provides clear turn-by-turn directions, guiding you along your planned path. If you venture off course, the breadcrumb trail feature helps you navigate back to your route or find your way home. This ensures you stay on track and confidently explore new areas, relying on the device's precise GPS capabilities. The Edge 130 Plus excels at tracking your performance. It continuously monitors key metrics such as current speed, total distance covered, and elevation changes. For more advanced data, easily connect ANT Plus and Bluetooth sensors, including heart rate, speed, and cadence sensors. The innovative Climb Pro feature also helps you manage your efforts on ascents by displaying remaining climb, gradient, and elevation gain, allowing for smarter pacing on challenging routes. Beyond core functions, the Edge 130 Plus offers valuable safety features. Its incident detection can automatically send your location to emergency contacts if an accident occurs, and the assistance feature allows manual alerts. After your ride, your data automatically syncs with Garmin Connect, providing detailed analysis and progress tracking. Remember to keep your device's software updated through Garmin Express to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.